Good morning. Initially, we want to talk about Senate Bill 296, which was part of the Attorney General's package, and which I think is the I-dotting, T-crossing continuation of a program that we had started in the AG's office a couple years back, where we're trying to attack meth. Arkansas has already experienced significant progress in this regard, over a 56% reduction in meth lab busts without the reduction in law enforcement activity. In other words, they're working just as hard as they ever have, but there are fewer meth labs because of putting the ingredients behind the counter as a Schedule 5 drug. And I think also, as a corollary to that, the Children's Hospital reported a 60% reduction in cases of children with meth lab burns. So both of those statistics, I think, point to the fact that we were on the right track. What was missing, however, was we didn't have the loophole closed with the electronic monitoring to the point that we had some real-time effective law enforcement tools, so that those people that tried to shop from different place to different place could in real time get caught. We did have the mechanism in place where you could track them, and that had a pretty good deterrent effect, but this is even better. And so General McDaniel made this a priority in his administration to ensure that we had some real-time enforcement ability through IT, and General McDaniel is to be complimented and commended for taking a good idea, making it even better, closing the loopholes, and really effectively pursuing what is obviously a scourge in our state, the enforcement against that scourge with some modern technology. General?
Thank you, Governor. Obviously, this is a program that was begun by General Beebe. General Beebe made Arkansas leaders nationally when we put pseudoephedrine behind the counter. It's a necessary precursor that all law enforcement knows is required in order to manufacture methamphetamine. We know that methamphetamine destroys families in Arkansas. We know that methamphetamine is a scourge on our society, and General Beebe put Arkansas at the forefront in addressing the issue. We are once again at the forefront in addressing the issue, and I'd like to recognize two Assistant Attorneys General, Brad Phelps and Laura Shue. I can't take credit for either one of them. General Beebe hired them, but they are truly tireless workers for the people of this state. They worked very, very diligently. I want to thank Senator Hank Wilkins of Pine Bluff for sponsoring the bill in the Senate, and my friend Monty Davenport, truly I think an outstanding public servant and one who worked tirelessly to help usher this through the General Assembly. When we saw in Oklahoma that they put into place an online tracking system, their meth labs dropped an additional 85%. I hope we see that as well here in Arkansas. I think that would be so important and such a great tribute to the efforts that we have made, but this doesn't solve everything. We know that crack is seeing an increase. We know that ice is being imported from out of the state. This doesn't solve everything, and we will work together on this front every single day, but this is a great day for Arkansas and for law enforcement, and I thank all of those that helped make it possible, especially Governor Beebe. Thank you.